Hello friends, this is question number C 3.3.6. Let us first understand the question. Nitrogen Limited, a UK company, is in process of negotiating order amounting to Euro 4 million with a large German retailer on 6 months credit. So you are Nitrogen Limited, you are in UK. You are negotiating something with Germany. Your currency will be pound sterling, their currency will be euro. And you will be exporting goods. First time Nitrogen Limited is exported the goods into highly competitive German market. The following three alternatives are being considered for managing the transaction risk before the order is finalized. Is it alright? So you will be receiving? Yes. How much? 4 million euro. 4 million euro. You will be receiving. If successful, this will be the first time, that is alright. Number 1. Invoice the German firm in sterling using the current exchange rate to calculate the invoice amount. So we need a spot rate. What is a spot rate? Try to concentrate. It is 1.1750. Let me write down. It is 1.1750 slash 1.1770 it is euro per pound. You are in UK. Euro per pound is an indirect quote for you. So what is a direct quote? I will make bid ask bid, and I'll make reciprocal, but I'll do automatically. Is it correct? If I want to convert this 4 million euro into pound sterling, I am exporting, so this is receivable. Receivable means I will have to sell it. Sell means I will be using a bid rate. This is an indirect quote. I'll first convert it into, let me do this. Let me convert it into a direct quote. Is it alright? So it will be 1 divided by 1.1770, 1 divided by 1.1750. It is pound per euro. So this has been converted. Now I am going to sell. Sell means this rate will be used. The bid rate will be used means ultimately it will be this rate. Is it all right? So first point. Let me convert my currency or the invoice it into pound sterling. It will be 4 million euro multiplied by 1 upon 1.1770 pound per euro. Euro will get cancelled. It is 4 divided by 1.1770. That is nothing but a 3.39847. 3.39847 million pound. This is the first point. Right? I will be receiving this much money because now the invoice is in pound. I am going to receive this much money. Is it all right? Even after 6 months. This is invoice converted. So this will be received after 6 months. Alternatively, using the forward foreign exchange rate to hedge the transaction risk. Now here the forward can be determined into two manners. They have written 6 months forward premium. Now 6 months of forward premium basically means you should add it. Is it alright? But normally if it is premium, it will be in ascending order and not in descending order. If it is in descending order, it is always at discount. So even if you will see the solution, both the alternatives are given. I will always take logically, if they are decreasing it as discount, if they are increasing it as premium. Is it alright? So let me find out the forward rate. Forward rate, I deduct, I am assuming it is decreasing, so it is discount. So 0.60 from this, 1.17 50 minus point. Yes, 60 will be reduced from this. So 6 months forward will be 60 will be reduced from this 1.1690, and 55 will be reduced from this. So 70 minus 55 comes to 15. It is 1.1715 euro per pound. I know that to convert this euro into pound, I need to use this rate, but in reciprocal. So I'll be directly using this rate in reciprocal, finding out the answer. Number 2, if I sell it in the forward market, it will be 4 million euro multiplied by 1 divided by 1.1715. I have already converted into indirect. It is pound per euro. Euro will get cancelled. It will be 4 million divided by 1.1715. It is a 3.41442 million pound I will be receiving after 6 months. So this was a forward contract. This is invoicing, converting it into home currency. This is a forward contract. Third, invoice the German first in euro. Use sufficient 6 months sterling future to the nearest whole number to hedge the transaction risk. Solid. Alright, now let us see the future rate. Future rate is 1.1760 euro per pound. Is it alright? It is future rate. 1.1760 euro per pound. The future contract size is 62,500 pound. Alright, let me try to convert this first 4 million into pound by future rate. What is the future rate is? 1.1760. There is no bid and ask. This will be converted into pound. 4 million divided by 1.1760 will be is equal to 3.40136. 3.40136 pound in million. What is the future contract size? Future contract size is pound 62,500 divided by 62,500 pound. How many lots I need to sell? It is 3.40136 multiplied by million divided by 62,500. So it is 54.42. 54.42. I will be taking of 50. So these are 54 lots of pound, where one lot is having 62,500 pounds. Now try to understand how exactly the future will work. Here the rates are given indirect, so there is some problem in calculation, but try to concentrate. It is not difficult. You are an exporter, you are going to receive 4 million euro. So you will be selling euro in future. Means you are bearish in euro. If you are bearish in euro, you are bullish in. If you are bearish in euro, you are bullish in pound. Now what is the rate available? Try to understand. Future rate is 1.1760. This rate is of pound, not of euro. It is denominated in the terms of euro, but the rate is of pound. Alright, what is the actual rate after 6 months? It is 1.1785. 1.1785. If 6 months has already passed, this is an actual rate, otherwise this is an estimated rate. Is it correct? It is 1.1785. This rate is of pound. You are bullish in pound. The pound is also bullish. So you will be gaining money from futures. The settlement will be done by differences. And how much euro per pound you will be getting is 1.1785 minus 1.1760. This is euro per pound profit. So it is 1.1785 minus 1.1760 is equal to 0.0025. 0.0025. Euro per pound is your profit. Is it correct? How much was your exposure? It is 62,500 pound multiplied by 50 because I was having 54 because I was having 54 lots of 62,500 pound each. How much is my profit is 0.0025 euro per pound. Pound will get cancelled. I will be getting profit in euro. 62,500 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 0.002. Sorry, it is 8437.5. 8438 approximately, but this is euro. At the end of the 6 months, how much euro I will be receiving? It is 4 million euro from the exporter plus 8438 euro from the futures. Now, as I have done futures settlement by differences, I will have to purchase, I will have to sell this all euro in the market. If I sell all euro in the market, I will be getting 1.1785 pound per euro. Euro will get cancelled. I will be getting answer of 40 lakh 8438 divided by 1.1785. This gives me answer of 34,01,305. 34,01,305 pound. Euro is getting cancelled. This answer is in pound. If I convert it into million, it is 3.4013 million pound will be received. Year 3.41, year 3.39. So taking a forward is the best option because it is taking a forward is the best option because it ultimately results into highest receivable as far as these three options are concerned. Thank you, friends.